You might have seen that most YouTube channels now use animations. Today, I'll teach you how to make these animations easily. Let's start right away. First, we need a character for your video. We'll use Lexica Art for this. You don't need to sign up. Simply search for anime character. You will see lots of options. Pick the one you like the best. Once you have your character finalized, open that image in Photoshop. Now move over to the toolbar and grab the clone stamp tool. You can also press S to quickly select it. Once your clone stamp tool is selected, adjust your brush size and hardness. This helps you control the area you're cloning and ensures a smooth transition. After that, hold down the Alt key and click on an area near the lips. This sets your source point for cloning. Now comes the fun part. Paint over the lips using the clone stamp tool. Clone from your source point to cover up those lips. Zoom in and carefully check for consistency. Blend the edges to make it look seamless. You want it to blend into the surrounding areas naturally. Once your image is edited, zoom out and take a look at the overall image. Ensure the cloned area blends seamlessly with the rest. Once the image is finalized, our next step is to get the mouth green screen animation. You can get this animation from YouTube easily. To finish up, we're using CapCut, a popular free video editing program. First, open CapCut and change the ratio to 16:9. Then, drag the edited image and speaking animation into the timeline. Keep the speaking animation layer above the character layer. This layer has a mouth animation saying something. We want to get rid of the green background. For that, click on the layer with the mouth animation, then select Video, Cutout, and Chroma key. Use the color picker to choose the green background and remove it. Make sure to increase the strength and shadow to the highest level for a clean removal. Now we just need to move the mouth animation to the character's mouth. For that, simply resize the layer and make it fit perfectly according to your character. To make your animation better, you can add effects. In the effects section, there are lots of effects you can choose from. Just pick some effects, then you're done. Finally, click Export and your animation is finished. Here are all the results for the animations I created. By the way, you can download all these animations from the description box below. Thanks for watching this quick tutorial. Remember to like the video and follow my channel for more exciting AI content, and I will see you in the next one.